Hey everybody, Ian here at Tradestalker.com with your recap for April 12th, 2016. As usual, I have marked on my chart the levels that Mike has given the prior day. These are the support levels he gave in green and the resistance levels in red, and then I usually mark the last level of the day that he gives, the most extreme level on either side in a different color. So that's what this one up here is, this purple guy. If you take a look at the price action, you can see we had a slight gap open that carried up through right up to the first resistance that he gave, that Mike gave at 2043 to 2044, and you can see it pretty much perfectly turned right there with no heat. Excuse me, no heat whatsoever, and came all the way back down right to the first support, which is 33 to 34. So this is an excellent example of how these levels work on a day-to-day basis. You could have just sold this one and bought this one, and there you go. There's your day right there. After we formed the slowdown here, you can see how we came back up, made a slightly lower high, rejected it, and then finally ended up breaking through. And at this point, we could see that we're getting into a stronger trending environment when you start getting these these big pushes up like this. And so that tells you that you want to maybe stay on the side that's the most dominant. In this case, that's the buy side. And Mike was echoing that. He was saying that this level up here, this 51 to 50, would be something that could give you a reaction, but most of the trades that you were going to get would be scalps. They're not something you want to sit in forever unless you see signs of the market really reversing significantly, and you can see that's exactly what happened. After we got this move down from here, you got a nice scalp down to this 48.5 intermediate level, which then took us back up, and we spent a bunch of time around this 2050 to 2051 level before finally breaking out and making it up to the 54.5 to 55.5 level. At this point, things are getting pretty overextended. But Mike did say that as long as we continue to hold this level, that we could go all the way up to the 60.5 to 61.5 level, and this is the last level that he had given on the day. And you can see we came a couple points shy of that level, and Mike was saying that as long as this area holds as support, we could continue and keep the uptrend, and you can see how it did not hold, and this is where we are coming into the day, just a little bit below this level right here. So overall, you can see these levels are really powerful. You can pick up Mike's ebook, which does go through a lot of these setups and helps to trade around the levels, so you have more of a feel for what the market's doing and not just using the levels, although you can see the levels themselves are excellent. The link below for the ebook is right here, and if you guys have any questions, you can always contact Mike at tradestalker.com. Hope you guys have a great evening, and we'll talk to you soon.